my dear students. Today we'll learn about fluid connective tissue. So last lecture I have explained that connective tissue which used to connect the different parts of the body, and that is different type. That is one is supportive, another is fluid, and another is over here it is connective. Okay, so connective, supportive, and fluid. These three types of connective tissues are there. So here you can see that what is fluid connective tissue. By the name you can understand that a liquid presence will be there. That is the example will be blood and plasma. Okay, so here it is. Let's read it, then we can understand that blood, which is composed of plasma and the different cells, RBC, WBC, and platelets, and in some proportion that is present in the blood, there is plasma part is there. And you know, when you went for a blood test, that time also the plasma used to separate it from the main this part, cellular part. Okay, and then the blood test happens. Okay, and the poison, snake poison used to do that. Plasma, when what happens, students, when snake used to bite, that time what happens, that the poison used to separate the plasma from the blood cells, and that's why a person used to die, because you know that blood clotting happens. Okay, so that is the thing to understand. Now just move to the limb. Limbs also just where the blood is not present, the part of the body where blood can't reach, there the limb present, and limb can fulfill the work of blood. Now come to the muscle tissue. Muscle tissue is, you know, that written over here, forms the muscles of the body. Muscles can contract and relax, thus they help the body in the movement. Okay, that is the function. So muscle tissue is three types. You are well known about it: striated, unstriated, and heart, cardiac. Okay, so striated, you already you have the idea that striated muscle means skeletal or voluntary. Okay, and unstriated means involuntary, means which actions in not in our control, that is involuntary. And third is the heart or cardiac muscle. Striated means, you know, that we can control that muscles present in the here is the example: arm, leg, face, neck. Okay, means the muscles that we can contract, expand, that is the striated muscle. Okay, that is voluntary. Okay, so they are the skeletal muscle. You can see that skeletal part of the body attached with the muscle. First to the skeletal frame is there in the body, and over there is the muscles, and they both combine together with the ligament and with the joint. Okay, they will just attach together and they form the organ. Okay, okay, so with the example, just remember this picture also, that is important. Sometime this picture will come, that what is the image of the muscle, the question answer will be the unstriated. And here is the tabular form. To properly understand, you must remember this connective, different types of connective, muscular, nervous. Okay, everything will properly, epithelial, it is very important. If you can the whole idea you will get here in this summary portion, and must you just remember this portion. Now that is unstriated muscle. Here they are not in our control or in our will, and you know that the example is here the muscle in the iris, skin, lining of blood vessel, urinary bladder, uterus. Okay, so they are automatically work. Okay, they are not in our control. And the muscles, intestine wall, helping passage of food. Okay, we can't to stop the process of food. When we just swallow the food, it will automatically enter the stomach. Can you control it? Can you stop in between the food pipe anywhere? No. So that's why that is involuntary, that is not in our control. Then the nervous tissue, student, that is the nervous tissue, a nervous cell. Okay, so constitution of the nervous system, the tissue made up of nerve cell. Okay, this is the cell, they will together attached and they will form the nerve tissue. So I think that is all about the book, and there is a, you all have the idea, proper idea. In below class you have the idea about this neuron cell and all its parts and their function. Here is also little bit explanation is there. And now students, question answer also I am providing with it. Okay, so you practice this chapter. Thank you very much.